Hey guys, today we are making a pie. So we start with oil and then onion, half of onion guys. Half of onion. So guys, we are taking it to the stove to fry. We're going to fry our onion first. So our onion is ready. We put mince. And then take it to the stove. So our mince is nice and thick guys. So we put spice. A little bit of salt. So I put diced potatoes. Diced carrot. And a bit of flour. You mix it together. You mix it together. And water. And then you take it back to the stove until the carrot and potatoes are soft guys. Okay guys, we put our mince away. So now we mix our dough. Flour, butter, pinch of salt, and then butter, and then we mix it together guys. We mix it together. We mix it together. And thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys. And guys, please let's support each other. Please. Us small YouTubers, let's support each other guys. If you saw me subscribing to you, subscribe back. Don't say just thank you. I need that subscribe. So please guys, let's support each other so that we can grow guys. Please. So now we put a little bit of water in here. If maybe you don't like my content, you won't watch, but at least subscribe. Seriously guys, no. I don't want thank you if I subscribe to you. I want your support because I support you. Please guys. So guys, don't overbeat beat it too much, guys. And then we put it here. And then cut it into two. And then put it in a plastic. In a plastic. And leave it for 10 minutes, guys. Leave it for 10 minutes. So guys, after leaving my dough for 10 minutes, so now we take it out. We cut it. Cut it again. Put this one away. So now look for something to cut. I will use my lid. Cut. And then put my mince. And then fold it nicely. Fold it nicely. And then take a fork. And then Here's our pie, guys. So guys, I grease my pan with butter, and then put the pie inside. So now guys, we finished to make our pie. Then we take a egg wash, guys. Egg wash is only milk, a little bit of milk, and egg. Cover it nicely with egg wash. Yes. So we are going to put our pies in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes, and then temperature 180, 190. So see you after 35 minutes. Yeah guys, so after 35 minutes our pie ready. Look how nice it looks. Job well done, guys. Yes, our pie. So yeah guys, so please don't forget to subscribe, to share, and to comment. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.